Just grab them.
Hey, Shelly, we're grabbing them. Water's coming through their building. Y'all come on. If he gets to the window in time. Because that building's about to go.
Is he coming? Is he coming to this side?
We maneuvered around to get those guys off of that shed. We got them.
Grab one of those life jackets.
Don't need to soak that up. You ready?
I can sleep real good.
Don't matter. Get the jacket on.
Not in this.
Not too bad.
Hold on. All right, take your life jackets off, throw them back in here. Thank you.
Launched the boat. They headed off into this very, very swift water, about a quarter of a mile away or so, maybe a little farther. And they rescued 2 people out of a tree and got them safely back to shore.
Life jacket.
This is what I didn't want.
I'm dead. Let me hang on. Hold on.
Thank you.
Let's do 3 right here. Hey, Trace.
Went back out one more time. They got 3 people off of the roof of a barn. To get to the other people that were located in a larger barn that was a little bit further away, the water was just too turbulent.
Life jacket. Life jacket. Right here.
And our boat was obviously giving us a lot of trouble in the silty water and debris-filled water that we were encountering. So we got the boat loaded up, and a helicopter flew overhead, a THP helicopter, and they were able to land.
Easy, Predator. I got throw back ready. Predator, you good? I got one.
What about the animal?
I see an animal moving.
Yeah. We're at the yellow house. We got one inside the house. We got a rope to him. We're trying to get him out right now. Predator's in the water. All right. Come here. Hang on, because I killed the motor.
You get right here, it's going to run. You're going to have to hang off. Go,
pinned. He's pinned. Hold the rope. Sorry, hold on. Hold on. You gotta hold, you gotta hold. That man, I know, I got you. Come on, I got you. There's a board across that man. Good. I'm trying, boss. I feel it. Rope's around his neck. Alright, you still got your life. That's what's most important. Alright, hold on and trust me. Good enough.